Hi English 80 students, my name is Simone Palmer and I'll be your instructor for this course for the fall 2020 session. This is just a quick little video to give you a sense of who I am and how the course works. So English 80 is a paced online course. That means you'll have to attend virtual classes. I'm going to have you check in every day. Our classes are scheduled to run from 10 until 11:50 Monday to Thursday, and Fridays a half an hour later to accommodate those people in Introductory Algebra 11. So on Fridays 10:30 to 12:20. Probably what will happen is during the Monday to Thursday we're going to have actual virtual classes where I will be delivering content. You'll be working in groups. You'll have a chance to connect with me. Fridays will be our writing session. You'll check in with me Friday morning and then you'll get to work on your own writing projects. To get started today, if you haven't already done so, have a look around the Moodle shell, click on some of the links. They're not all completed as I'm still working on the course. Have a look at the discussion post forum, make a post to this forum, get to know your classmates, and that will get you started. So our first class will be Wednesday, September 9th at 10 a.m. You'll want to log into Moodle and we'll start the class via Collaborate or another video conferencing technology. So I'll see you then.